Hey guys, my name is Jonathan Henderson with Pressure Washing Marketing Pros, and today's video I want to go ahead and show you and explain to you why you need to get started with Google Local Service Ads ASAP, as soon as possible. Because if you guys have been living under a rock and you don't know what Google Local Service Ads are, Google Local Service Ads are these ads that you see at the very top right here, right, with the Google Guarantee badge. And these ads actually show up consistently above not only the SEO results like right here in organic, but they also show up, above the regular Google ads, because this is different than Google ads. There's a difference between Google ads and Google Local Service Ads. And I actually have a video breaking down Google Local Service Ads altogether and how to get them started and how to set it up step by step. So I'll link that video in the description, right? So because in this video, I'm not going to talk about how to set it up. I'm not going to talk about what they are extensively, right? Because I have a full video that I've already made in the past that I will link in the description, right? But as you know, the simple difference between Google Local Service Ads and Google Ads is that for Google Local Service Ads, you pay per lead. And for Google Ads, you pay per click, right? So, for example, if I were to click on like Guru Gutter Cleaning, right? Like just like this, they're not going to get charged. But the only way that they would get charged is if I called or messaged their business, right? So like even if I click these guys, Wise Guy Pro Wash, right? As you can see, only if I call or message them, you know what I mean, would they go ahead and get charged, right? And so the reason why you want to go ahead and utilize this, because as you guys already know, in the past, because if we go ahead and we look at the categories, right? So I will link this URL as well in there, that goes over everything about Google Local Service Ads, right? How to get started, understanding the screening and verification process. What is Google Guarantee? How does your ad rank? Troubleshooting invalid leads. How to improve your local service ads performance, and uploading your license and insurance so that you can get the Google Guarantee, right? I will upload all of that. But what I want to show you guys right now, as you can see, these are all of the categories, right? These are all of the categories of businesses that are eligible for local service ads. You know what I mean? So if I were to hit Control Find and now we're going to put pressure washing, you don't see pressure washing, right? If I were to put gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, anything, gutter cleaning, you don't see that. If I were to put roof cleaning, you don't see it, right? But guess what they have? Window cleaning services. And pressure washing and all these other type of services fall under the window cleaning service category. So as you guys see right here, they have a eligibility for window cleaning services, right? And you're like, Jonathan, what's the importance of that? Well, in the past, whenever you typed in any kind of pressure washing terms, for example, if I were to go here and I'll show you guys in real time, if I were to type in certain things like pressure washing Atlanta, you know what I mean? As you can see, still currently, local service ads aren't really popping up. But what I've noticed is there's been a slight change in the algorithm right now. And so this is why it's super important that you guys want to go ahead and do it. Because if I type in something like pressure washing near me, you know what ends up happening? Bam, you end up seeing the local service ads. And it says, see window cleaners, right? So a lot of guys would not set up these local service ads because they didn't want to target window and gutter cleaning. You know what I mean? But now these local service ads are showing up for various pressure washing terms, right? So like, for example, like pressure washing services. If I type that in, guess what? Bam, local service ads are showing up right here, right now. And remember, you're only paying per lead. So think about how effective this would be and how many more leads you would capture for your business if you not only got local service ads up and running, but you're running Google ads and you had really good SEO as well. I mean, you'd be killing the game because you would have local service ads, they would see your Google ad, and they would see you in the map pack, they'd see you down here, and you would just be like, look at Wise Guys Pro Wash. Bam, they're right there. I don't see them right here, but look, they got the Google Guarantee, all of that stuff, right? So they're putting themselves in multiple opportunities, and that's what you want to go ahead and do. Because like I said in the past, this would only really show up for window cleaning and for gutter cleaning, right? But like I said, now it's showing up for pressure washing, search terms as well. Because at first it never showed up for pressure washing terms. You know what I mean? And like I said, if you want to go ahead and only show up for pressure washing terms, and you don't want to show up for window cleaning terms or any other things, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and do so. So if you go ahead and you log into your local service ads account, so hold on, let me see. So what you'll do is you'll go to Google Local Service Ads. I will say it again, I have a video on how to sign up for this and step by step how to set up your profile and how to get verified, how to get the Google guarantee. So I'll link that video in the description. But assuming you already have a Google Local Service Ads profile, you'll go ahead and you'll go to your Local Service Ads profile, right? So I'm going to go to one of my dummy ones that I have right now that I've used for examples. So this is the screen that you'll see whenever you're in local service ads, right? You'll see all of this stuff, you know? But what you'll do is you'll go down to your profile and budget, right? So once you go down to profile and budget, you'll be able to see the job types. So right here is where you'll be able to go ahead and check which ones you want to go ahead and do. So under the window cleaning category, they have roof cleaning, right? They have gutter cleaning. They have window cleaning. They have pressure washing. They have glass and mirror cleaning. But, if I type in roof cleaning services, right, and I'm in Atlanta, they still don't necessarily have it as much for these guys just yet. It looks like they're not getting it for roof cleaning just yet, right? Let me type in roof cleaning near me. Yeah, they don't have them for roof cleaning just yet, guys, but trust me, you want to get on top of it anyway, right? So when you're on your profile, depending on whatever services you want to target, if you only want to target, pressure washing and roof cleaning search terms, then you would just go ahead and check mark the pressure washing and roof cleaning search terms, right? If you just wanted to just target window cleaning, gutter cleaning, you would do so. If you just want to target pressure washing, you would uncheck all of these and only have it for the pressure and power washing ones, right? Because like I said, these search terms or these local service ads are showing up for pressure washing terms now. So this is why you definitely want to get in front of this and get on top of this, right? Before most of your competitors do. Because even when I look on here, you know what I mean? I'm looking at this, a lot of guys, a couple of guys right here, Window Genie, Great Dane, pressure washing, some of these guys have it. But look at how many of these companies with their local service ads, look how many of them aren't Google guaranteed yet. Look at how many of them aren't, right? So this is, and there's so many more pressure washing businesses in this area than just this. So it's like, this is something that you guys definitely would want to go ahead and key in on, right? You guys want to definitely go ahead and key in on this, right, for your business. So once again, if you guys have any questions, concerns, thoughts, comments, please leave them in the comments below, and I will link not only, how to get started, but I will also link, this resource as well that will show you guys all the information about local service ads so that you guys can go ahead and get started, right? So with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.